Honda, did they ever put their foot in their mouth on these things? I don't know. Hey guys, Machines and Metal. I'm just working on one of these late model Honda. I think this is an HRN216. Yeah, right there. HRN216. And man, Honda, there's actually a couple more out there. Honda, did they ever put their foot in their mouth on these things? I don't know. They must have known the end of the line was coming for their mowers, so they came up with the cheapest, crappiest method of doing things. And I just wanted to show you kind of a band-aid fix for one of these. I've had a lot of them where this front height adjuster plastic assembly breaks. This thing right here, I guess guys smash these mowers into things. And anyway, that sits on top like that, and it's held in, guys. It's held in by 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's actually 2 more. There's one there, 5, and one there, 6 bolts. You can see that's where number 5 comes out and number 6 come out. And what happens, guys, is they bolt into these 2. These 4, well, see, that one's broken because this guy's run this lawnmower into something and smashed this and broken it. But then those 2 bolts there, the ones down on the inside, one goes there, and when you try to take it apart, guys, they're these things and they're C's, so they spin. When you turn on the 10 mil nut under here, or sorry, the 10 mil bolt, this nut, which is sitting inside plastic over top of that hole, it spins inside of this right here, and it breaks. You can't get it out. You have to literally tear these things off, and then they break. See, that one's broken. That one's broken. This is another part I've got off a parts machine I was scrapping. There you can see how it's supposed to be. That one's still in there, and that one's good. However, this one's broken, and there's no clip. There's nothing really you can do. Oh, that one just fell out. There's nothing you can really do to fix that, guys. It's plastic. I mean, you could use fender washers if you can get your hand inside, because remember, you can't tighten the backside of this because it's on the front of the mower and it's covered up. So I just figured out what you can do. Here's a tip, is if one of those is broken, notice how there's a hole in the middle. There's actually a spot for that clip in the middle. However, here on the deck, there's no hole for a bolt. So what could we do, guys? We could drill a hole right there, and we could move this bolt to here, anchoring the center. It's better than nothing, guys. Do I recommend doing this to your customers' machines? Nope. Do I recommend doing this to your own machines? Nope. This is one of those we were never here and we never saw this video type things. But that's kind of a band-aid fix. You could use that center hole. That'll go together, and you'll be able to access that flat nut thing, that thing right there, from underneath here. You tell me, guys, leave a comment in the comment section. Without replacing this whole thing, how would you fix this? All right, hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna have more videos about lawnmowers and stuff. Thanks for watching.